2020, question 1. A car traveling on a straight road with uniform speed of 26. Notice there's a tractor 91.2 meters ahead. 91.2 meters. Tractor has a speed of 6, uniform speed. Tractor and car, U is equal to 6. The car, U is 26. The driver hesitates for t seconds before applying the brakes, so he's going to maybe hit the brakes at this point. And deceleration is 5. A is equal to deceleration minus 5. So what can we do here? Well, we're told find the max value of t, which would avoid a collision. So how far can he go before hitting the brakes? So what needs to happen here is he needs to slow down to a speed of obviously 6 or less. So let's say v is 6, then we can find the time taken to slow down to 6. V is equal to u plus at. 6 is equal to 26 minus 5 times t. So 5t is 20. So we have 4 seconds for him to slow down. Now how far will he travel in that 4 seconds? S is equal to ut plus a half at squared. It could be a she, of course. S is equal to 26 times 4 plus a half by minus 5 by t squared, which is 16. So 8 by minus 5 is minus 40. 104 minus 40 is 60 meters. So he has traveled 60 meters when he hits the brakes. So 104 minus 64 meters. Sorry, 64 meters. 104 minus 40, just be careful, 64. And in this section here, where there was no acceleration, the distance traveled is just ut, which is equal to 26 times t. So there's 2 sections for the car, 26t and 64 meters. And we have to make sure that those 2 things combined don't hit the tractor, which is going in this direction here. Just change colors. Tractor is going in this direction, and S is equal to ut for him as well. So it's going to be, he's just traveling with 6t along in this direction, which if we imagine that's the same time interval as there. And then the car is going to, or the tractor is going to travel on a little bit more. And that's the 4-second time interval when the car hits the brakes. So S is equal to ut in here. It's going to be just 6 by 4, which is 24. So there's 2 things happening with the tractor, the 16 and the 24. And there's 2 things happening with the car. So let's just do a little diagram again. 91.2. So let's say the car travels from here to here, and the tractor travels along this path here. So the car has 26t, 64 meters. The tractor has just traveled in this section along here. So to avoid a collision, 26t plus 64 meters. Take away 91.2 for the car. That will have to be less than this guy in here, which is your 24 meters plus the 6t. I don't need the m in there. So I'm going to bring my 6t to the left to get 20t. That will have to be less than 24 minus 64 is minus 40 plus 91.2, 51.2. So t will have to be, to avoid a collision, less than 51.2 divided by 20. 51.2 divided by 20 is 2.56 seconds.